Okay, here we go guys. We're going on a run today around our neighbourhood and a couple of suburbs over. And here's the gang.
Hello.
Georgia,
Hi.
Gary,
Hi.
and Veronica.
Hi again.
Yeah, Ronnie. I call her Veronica. I got a teaser, I've got all sorts of names for Veronica, I tell you. Okay, okay, we're off in a moment.
We haven't got a clue where we're
Yeah,
going.
including the leader. Going through our suburb, of course, first before we get onto the road and onto any new territory. I have a new flag, as you can see, just behind me there. It's the Aussie flag. This will be nice. We'll have some mud on our tyres. Okay. Thank you. You too. Thanks, guys. So there the guys are coming up behind me. Yeah, well, you just rode through a lot of bird poo. They were forecasting rain today and into this evening, but the skies are absolutely beautiful, clear, a beautiful day for a ride. Wasn't sure whether we're going to be able to make it or not, but it's awesome. Directly above us, it's beautiful, blue skies. That's what I love about winter. The skies are always bluest in winter. In summer they're a washed out sort of blue, you know, like almost like a greyish colour. Yep, all good, all clear. There's a car up at the top of the hill coming down, but it's a distance away. Yeah. Just make sure Gary and Georgia are okay. And as you can see in the tops of these trees, we've got heaps and heaps and heaps and heaps of bats. We've come to Lata B or Lata B. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thank you.
That's good. Yes, hi.
I'm going to put you on YouTube. from Lilybook Dental.
Oh, yes.
It's got a sign in the toilet there that says, in case of attack, escape,
Oh yeah.
hide, and tell. I thought it would be in case of attack, kill, hide the body, and don't tell anyone.
Yeah.
Good on you.
Okay, here we go. There's a little bit of moisture, so we do have some clouds above us now, and so I think we're going to have a little bit of rain, so we're bound to get a tad wet. The guys are coming up behind me, just making sure that they're still there. This is quite pleasant. Oh, there's a tree across our path. Yeah, tree down, man down. We'll have to call the council and let them know. It's a little bit of a bumpy ride. That was a bumpy ride. Everybody get through there, right?
Yeah.
This is lovely, this. Bicycle coming. Oh, it's not a bicycle actually, it's one of those motorized scooters. Crossed over the road and we are into a new little park. G'day.
Hey, how you going?
Good, and yourself?
Yeah, wouldn't be better.
Good stuff.
Let's go.
There we go. Serious uphill, very serious one. Sorry guys, I didn't realize it was that steep. Yeah, this is like a jungle, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's quite.
Okay, you're going to call it Rainforest ride.
Yes, okay. Rainforest ride, yep. G'day. How you going? Good. This is what I'm looking at. I think we have to go, yeah, no, that's where the traffic lights are. We've got to go across, so I think we go down here. This is going to be a test, this one. We're going with the lights though, so it should be all right. I'll turn this camera off while we're getting negotiating this crossing. We're on candid camera here, so running alongside the railway line between the stations, between oh, I can't remember what that one's called, Marumba Down Station and Mango Hill Station, over the M1 Bruce Highway. I've got some time lapse of this bridge being built. I will definitely put this in, because this is one of my favorite time lapses. It's a little bit on the long side, so what I'll do is I'll put a link to it rather than put it in, so that if anybody wants to watch it, they can. But it's, if you like to watch construction, it's these bridges being constructed, them lifting, the cranes lifting the beams into place and that sort of thing, so it's awesome. I did a whole lot of time lapses from those trees there. We're going. There we go. Around the lake. Going around the lake. Yes, there it is. Oh, it's a goose. It's a goose. Did you see the goose? Yep. Yeah, some ducks over here. That's lovely. You want it? Yeah, no, this is good. Look at all the turtles. Got turtles with their heads up. There's turtles that are moss covered. And here are the recumbents all in a row. Look at that. Pretty as a picture with all them little flags. Going through the suburb of Mango Hill, I'll show you what these houses look like. Ooh, that's pretty, eh? And they've had their roof restored. Look at that, very pretty. Some very nice homes around here, of course. Different type of fences. So that's like a glass, probably perspex fence, frosted perspex. It's going to be a wet ole ole ole. Ole 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 ole. Okay, we're coming up to North Lakes now. Anzac Avenue might be the border between North Lakes and Mango Hill. So we're just coming out of Mango Hill. And it'll be a downhill now until we get to the lakes. So it should be fairly easy going, easy riding. So I'm just going to change gears a little here. And we'll see how we go. Guys coming up behind. Yeah, there we go. There's Lake Eden with all the kids running around. Here we are at Lake Eden. We'll go over and see now. There's a restaurant over there. We should be able to go and get something to eat and drink if it's open. Let's hope that it is. Otherwise we're going to have to go across the road. Ducks and turtles and children and all sorts. And here we are, stopped for lunch, and we're waiting for our lunch to be brought to us, but we're drinking coffee. Oh, Veronica's. Yeah, I don't think it's would have done any damage. Yeah, the camera's on the back, so no, not on the back of hers, on the back of mine. Yeah, I was going to put it on hers, and then I thought, no, I'll put it on mine. Yeah, I did. I left all the lights on. That's okay because I've got spare lights there.
Yeah, lunchtime was higher than that.
Yeah. Yeah. God, what, $1 a minute, so $60 an hour. I'd go for a ride around the lake.
A supervised drive.
Supervised.
Go with.
Yes. Oh, yes.
One of you will go with.
It's a water dragon. Hello.
Hi, Vic. Hi.
This is our
Right.
hearing
Forest.
professional,
Yeah.
audiologist, Rebecca.
Yeah.
So Veronica saying hi, Beck.
Hi, Vic.
Okay, we'll go through here.
Yeah.
Got yourself unclipped, have you? Okay. Push, that's it. The other one in. No. Okay, now push. That's it. Okay. This is zigzagging. Like Lombard Street in San Francisco. The zigzag. Nowhere near as pretty, of course, but hey, this is North Lake's version of Lombard Street. bit busy at the moment with the traffic, and it's only 2:45. Keep going, don't stop. Don't stop, don't touch your brakes. Here we are at home in one piece. G'day, how you going?
What's this side is?
The,
What is this side? It's called Recumbents truck. Side. Yes. Very nice. Lots of them on YouTube. If you Google them, you see lots of them. Yeah. And he's on YouTube.
yeah, I'm on YouTube, so that's what the camera. Say hello to the YouTube. Okay, thanks very much. Take care. Okay, I will finish mine now too. Say goodbye, everybody.
Bye.
God bless.
Bye, everybody.
Au revoir. Tot ziens. Sayonara. Goodbye, everybody. God bless.